Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to make lampshade light. Let's see what materials are we going to use. Watercolor, ice cream stick, 3 brushes, uhu glue and paper. I'm going to use this brush and dip into the watercolor and sprinkle it. You can use any color you want. I'm going to do like this to all the 5 colors. I'm going to do the same thing in the other paper. I'm going to let those 2 paper dry. I'm going to make 2D square shape using these ice cream sticks like this. I'm going to stick these 2 sticks on them and done. I'm going to leave them to dry. I'm going to make 5 like this. I make it 4, let it dry. I'm going to draw the outline, cut and then paste. Like this. I already cut it, now I'm going to paste. I paste it like this. I made it 5. I'm going to stick like this.